Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this honeybee card using the honeybee bundle from Stampin' Up. So here's my honeybee card. I'm going to show you the bundle. Here's the stamp set, honeybee. It's got this really cool hive here that you can cut out with the die. And it's got dies for the bees as well. Put that die over there. And then dies for the flowers. It also has this really cool hexagon die, honeycomb die, and this detailed bee die. So they go together, and if you purchase them together you get 10% off. So go to my website, eStampin.com, and check out my blog, and you can also click on shop. So to start, I'm going to stamp the bees. So I have this scrap piece of paper, and I'm going to use Memento black ink. I'm going to stamp the large bee first. I'm going to do the other side. And these stamps are distinctive stamps, so they are very detailed. So look at the bee's wings there, pretty cool. I'm also going to stamp on this piece right here. Clean it off a little bit. This half circle sentiment, really cool. And let's see, where did the little bee stamp go? Here it is. So we'll stamp two little bees. And I'm going to color them using a crushed curry marker. I'm just going to color their little behinds. Did you get that? Behinds? There we go. And now for the flower stamps, there's two of them. There's mirror images, and there's a right one and a left one. And I'm going to use the markers to color these as well. So I'm using crushed curry for the flower and pear pizzazz for the leaves and stem. And you want to color them pretty quick so the ink doesn't dry on you, and you can huff on the stamp if you want to, but I haven't found that necessary. So there we go, there's the first one. I also love coloring on my stamps. I feel like it makes them more versatile, and you can use any color, and it allows you to really fully use the stamp, because you wouldn't really have a one color flower and stem. So now I can cut these all out using the dies. So here's my bees and my big bee. Here's my flowers. So I've got those all cut out. So now I can start assembling the card. So I'm going to start with this piece right here and the gold foil. And I'm going to place them so they just barely cover the opening. And I'm going to use my dimensionals to hold them in place. It's just the easiest thing to do. A little bit tricky because you don't have much room to work with, but still doable. And then I'll do one in this corner. And then I'll do one more over here. And then I'm going to attach this to a piece of So Saffron. I'm going to do it upside down. It's just easier to see where I'm laying this. I want to put it in the middle. There we go. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more adhesive to the back of this. And we'll put some adhesive on the Honeybee Specialty Designer Series paper that you can earn for free. if you purchase $50. Don't tell me I ran out of my fast fuse too. No, it looks like it's still good. So it looks like there's a little bit of a slip in my thing that I'm going to have to repair. So I'm gonna grab real quick. I don't have any of these. Wow, I'm having an adhesive problem. Seriously. Everything is out. Okay. I have one of these adhesives. All right. So I'll just use this. And then we'll add this to the card base. This paper is super pretty. It's got this gold foiling on it. Can you see that? Super pretty. Now we can add this. I've got adhesive on it right in the middle. Now we can add our little flowers. And I'm just going to put some adhesive on there. Do one over here. And then I'll do one on the other side. And then I'm going to put all the bees on dimensionals. So there is my honeybee card. Isn't it cute? I just love it. So here's the honeybee bundle again. You can go to my website, eStampin.com, to check it out. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.